GolfCartingTV is your inside source for the coolest upgrades, mods, and accessories to take your trusty golf cart from drab to fab.
Hey everybody, this is Matt with Golf Karting Dirt Drags. I am here with Converted Carts and Golf Karting Magazine and Golf Karting TV and Carts Inc. We've got a great day planned for you today. It's a little bit different maybe than what you're used to, but we have 6 different classes and we will be running those classes for time. We're going to be having each racer go down and have 3 runs, and we'll be running in, catching those times, and then connecting those with the top. We're live, baby. I'm out here in the pits with Waylon Cox from Arkham EV. He was here last year as well. He is entering the modified electric class. And Waylon, tell me a little bit about why you're here and what kind of cart you're riding today.
We're here to support Carts Inc.'s event, sponsored by Denago as well. And we just want to show attendance here, be at all the events, just like you yourself out here. And we're going to give them hell and see what we can do.
Awesome. So what are you riding here today?
Today we're riding in the modified Street Rat. We've shortened the front end up, made a whole nother front end for it. So it's got coilover shocks on it instead of leaf springs. We've got dirt tires to the back of it, and we're running the same DC setup as last year, 500 amp control with
Awesome. So this one is always fun to watch. You may catch him spinning out somewhere in one of the open fields for sure as well. So thanks, Waylon, for coming out.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm out here with Bud Evans. He is all the way from Kentucky, and he's got his monster cart. He's going to be doing a demonstration during one of our intermissions. Bud, tell me about what you got back here, just the basics.
Well, it's believe it's an 85 Club Car DS body, and then it's 2 bodies in the center together because the motor sits in the center. It's a 22 RE Toyota. It's a 1985 also, and the running gear's all Toyota runs and shit.
That's awesome. So your background is you're a monster truck driver for some time, right?
Well, I grew up around monster trucks. King Kong, actually, one of the first ones. And we did a lot of mud drags and stuff like that throughout the years. I broke my neck in the 85 driving a monster truck that didn't have suspension. So I sold my monster truck. One of my friends, he had this there and it was all beat up. And I said, oh, it's different. I gotta have it.
That's a good way of putting it. It's different. Thanks, Bud. Appreciate you coming out today. We're excited to see what you can do.
All right, let's have some fun.
Hey, so I'm here with Alec from Golf Carts Modified, and we've got one of the coolest carts on the track here, so just wanted to have him tell us a little bit about what they're running today. We don't have to share any trade secrets or anything, but just wanted to kind of take a look at the cart. Tell us just the basics.
Yeah, so it's a rail dragster-based golf cart. I want to say it was built like in the early 2010s. It's got a V-twin motor in the back, and then we threw on some dirt tires on it, and we're just gonna go see what it'll do. We've never run it on dirt, so it'll be interesting.
Yeah, so how fast does this go? What's the top speed that you've gotten it before?
I wanna say at bragging rights, it ran about 60 to 65, I believe. And I can't tell you what it'll do on dirt, so.
Yeah, it'll be fun to see what happens, but thanks for coming out. I see. So is this an official name of the cart?
As far as I know, that's how it was bought. The last people put the orange Ugelis on it, so we just haven't changed it, so that's what it'll stay for now.
Got it. Very cool. Thanks again, Alec. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Hey, welcome back, everybody. I am here with Zoe from Denago. Just said a big thank you to Denago, but wanted to say personally, thank you so much for you guys being partners here with us for the dirt drags driven by Denago, which is exciting. So Zoe, just tell me a little bit, like, what makes you guys excited about being here? What are you seeing today?
Absolutely. So a lot of our team doesn't get to be out here and meeting the people who are actually a part of the Denago community, getting to meet our dealers face to face, just as a team, getting to see that, getting to meet people who are part of the community. We love interacting with them and getting to know their stories and what they use the carts for, because we really do believe in being a community and going beyond just the cart and knowing what you're using it for and where you're going and all your hopes and dreams. And hearing that is so, for us, like, it makes our job so much fun, and just being face to face with our people is so amazing.
And it's awesome. I mean, you guys are making a splash in the golf karting world. You are kind of driving the market almost right now, which is exciting. It makes us excited to have you on board here for sure.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about that. Just a brief, like, what do you think is so? What's hitting the market so hard that Denago's everywhere?
Yeah, we're only about 6 months old, which is absolutely crazy. And we really our entire team stands behind the product, and I think that makes a big difference. And when we say every cart is a story, we mean it from, like, getting to the warehouse to sending it out to getting it to a consumer. Like, we really believe in our product across the board. And so we think that sets us apart in such a special way, because, again, it goes beyond just you getting your cart. We love getting to hear stories about it and stand behind it because we are proud of it. And I think it sets us apart, and we've seen it, and we are one of the top grossing companies, and that's only because we go beyond being a company into being a community.
That's awesome. And again, Carts Inc., who's one of our sponsors here for sure, is excited to have you as well, and they sell your stuff. And so I think if you're looking for a cart, looking for a new cart, great opportunity. Certainly here at the fair today. If you happen to be local, come on out, talk to Carts Inc., but also check them out online, denagoev.com.
Absolutely,
Thanks
yes.
for coming out.
Thank you.
I'm here with John from Arkham BV and his daughter Leia. And John, excited you're back here for the second.
Sure.
So tell us a little bit about what you got running here and why you're excited for the day.
Well, we're very excited to come back this year. This is the whole new car. We got the new 51-volt 160 Eco in here with the all-tracks drive system. New rims and tires and stuff like that. But the car seems to be doing good, and we're gonna send it. We won last year, so we want to get that second car.
Yeah, these guys are a blast. It's always fun to have them running on the track. So we're excited to have you guys here today.
Thank you.
Thank you. So as you can see, these are just kind of having some fun. This is matching up carts against carts. Some of these are gas against electric. Some are gas against gas. Some are electric and electric. But you can see some of them are kind of giving somebody else a little bit of a lead before they take off. But this is what it's all about. This industry is just fantastic. These guys have fun. I don't know if you noticed, guys, but that was a Denago running down the track, 4-forward Denago. Those guys rock. So again, thanks to Denago for everything they've done for this event and for this race and for our industry. And they've been fantastic and great to work with. And I've loved seeing their name up there at the top of the arch all day long with these races. It's been fantastic. But thanks to Denago, they offer a fantastic product. And it's fun to see them running around here too. They're even powering some of the things, believe it or not, that are happening during this event. Every Denago actually has a 110-volt plug that we're able to blow up. Even that, I believe that arch that's at the beginning is actually running. You can see that little gray Denago right next there that is actually powering the blower that is keeping the start line arch up. And so again, just little things, but it makes a difference. It's fantastic to see what Denago can do and what they've done. And again, thanks to those guys for everything they've done for this race, this event. Appreciate it.